Hi guys, so I'm back again with another video, and in this video we'll be talking about new launches. So L18 recently launched its Colourpops matte lipstick, and here I am reviewing these lipsticks for you guys. So if you know how these lipsticks fared for me and what expectations you need to keep from these lipsticks, keep on watching the video. Also, a little disclaimer, stay tuned till the end because in the end I'll be doing a comparative review between the L18 Colourpops matte and the much loved Miss Claire soft matte lip creams. So yeah, if you're interested, keep on watching. The L18 Colourpops matte retail for about 100 rupees for 4.3 grams of product. There are about 20 shades in this range, which includes a lot of browns, pinks, oranges, reds that will suit all the Indian skin tones very beautifully. These lipsticks are packaged in a black sort of packaging. This is how the packaging looks. It has a graphic girl over here, L18 written over here, and Colourpops matte written over here. The packaging deserves a good year because in 100 rupees you're not getting a cheap kind of packaging. The packaging is quite secure. The cap is not feeling flimsy at all. So yeah, the packaging is good. Also, this product is travel friendly because after using the lipstick, when you retract it, there's sort of click sound that secures, that make you feel secure that the lipstick is all in, and you don't have to worry about it chipping it off or anything like that. Also, when you click the cap, you hear a tuck kind of sound. I'll repeat it for you guys. See, you hear it about a tuck kind of sound that makes it very travel friendly and secured packaging. So yeah, packaging wise, L18 has done a very great job because from this range, one is Let's Tango and the other one is Selfie Red. Let's Tango is more of an orangish kind of shade and Selfie Red is more of like red shade. So yeah, I'll show you the shades real quick. This is how Selfie Red looks like, and this is how Let's Tango look like. I'll insert a picture of the swatches of these lipsticks on my hand and on my lips as well. The Colourpops matte are greatly pigmented. In one swipe only you get a solid opaque color. The lipsticks have a mild fragrance of cocoa butter that is so delicious. Talking about the matte factor of these lipsticks are not completely matte. They have more like demi-matte, semi-matte finish. So yeah, if you are like more of a demi-matte, semi-matte finish kind of person, you love these lipsticks. But if you're like hardcore matte lipstick lover, you are not going to love this lipstick that much. The lasting part of the lipstick is about 2 to 3 hours, after which you have to touch up. The lipstick transfers, so it is not transfer proof. Every time you will sip a drink or eat a meal, it will transfer. About 10 to 12% of the lipstick color is faded. So yeah, you have to keep that in mind that the lipstick transfers, and it transfers quite a lot. So this was my review on the L18 Colourpops matte lipstick. I give this product about 8 out of 10 stars. Now talking about the comparative review between the L18 Colourpops matte and the Miss Claire soft matte lip cream. I've already talked through the packaging of the L18 Colourpops matte. Talking about the packaging of the Miss Claire soft matte lip cream, it comes in a tube one kind of packaging. This is how the packaging looks. There are about 20 shades in the L18 Colourpops matte lipstick, and there are about 25 shades in the Miss Claire soft matte lip creams. So the ranges have amazing shades that will suit Indian skin tone to the dot. The Miss Claire soft matte lip creams retail for about 150 to 300 rupees. Availability may be an issue with this, but availability is not an issue with L18 all over India. If you like matte formulations which are not very drying or irritating or chapping on your lip, then you should go on with the Miss Claire soft matte lip creams because it is matte to the dot. But if you like more of semi-matte finish, then you should go on with the L18 Colourpops matte lipstick. Both of them are really affordable options if you're looking for matte lipstick. One is a complete matte and one is semi-matte. So yeah, pick your team and go buy whichever you like. I give both of these products a big thumbs up because I'm using these lipsticks for a great time now. I hope you like this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Make my day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.